Okay, specific versus non-specific response. Non-specific response, before we get going. Pathogens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the 5 types of pathogens?
Virus.
Okay, virus is 1. Second one? Yep.
Fungi.
Fungi. Third? Bacteria. Fourth?
Protozoan.
Protozoan. And the last one?
Rickettsia.
Rickettsias. Okay. Are viruses living or non-living? Go ahead, anybody.
Non-living.
Thank you. Fungi, living or non-living? Just say it out.
Living.
Fungi are living. Bacteria?
Living.
Protozoans?
Living.
Rickettsias?
Living.
Okay. Now, along with these, your body has physical and chemical barriers. Basically things that keep pathogens out. There's 5 of these. First one, I'll give you a hint to get us started. What's the largest organ in the human body?
Your skin.
Your skin. Okay, so skin is the largest physical chemical barrier that we have. Skin covers your body, basically keeps pathogens out. What's another one?
Mucus.
Mucus. Third one?
Isn't it tears?
Tears and it's in your mouth.
Saliva.
Saliva. Fourth one?
Gastric juice.
Yeah, we're going to call it stomach acid. Same thing as gastric juice. And the last one?
Cilia.
Cilia, which are little tiny hairs, okay, that trap dirt, dust, and pathogens. Okay. All these physical and chemical barriers are considered non-specific responses. Do you know why?
Because they react the same to anything that they come in contact with.
Good. These are non-specific because these are going to do the same thing. Your skin will protect you the same way, regardless of whether it's because of a virus, a fungi, bacteria, protozoan, rickettsia, it doesn't matter. They all fight different pathogens the same way, regardless of what pathogen it is. Okay, your skin's always going to be a barrier. It's always there. It always helps protect you from any one of these 5 pathogens. Okay, same thing with phagocytes, right? Phagocytes are also non-specific response. Phagocytes do the same thing. They always eat pathogens. They look for infected cells, and they try to get rid of them. It doesn't matter what type of pathogen it is. Okay, what are some examples of specific response? What things fall into that category? What does each cell, let's see, here's a virus. If it's a virus, what does it have on it that tells the body what it is? What's that structure called?
Flag.
A flag. What's the name of the flag? It starts with an A. Okay. Antigen.
What is that?
Okay. Every pathogen has a different antigen, which basically tells the body what that is. Okay, and then your body's going to have defenses. So some terms like memory cells, antibodies, B cells, T cells. Okay? So when your body fights off certain pathogens to build up resistance to them, keeps a piece of the antigen, remembers it, develops memory cells, these are all specific defenses. Because these change from pathogen to pathogen. If you get a flu shot, is that protecting you from chickenpox?
No.
Is it protecting you from a cold?
No.
Just protecting you from the flu, right? Because your body's only developing those specific memory cells. So the difference between specific and non-specific response, non-specific responses are things that are in our body, all these physical and chemical barriers, phagocytes, Things that work the same way to protect us from any type of pathogen that we come in contact with. Specific response is going to differ from pathogen to pathogen because each pathogen has its own antigen, they all look different, and then your body develops specific responses to deal with each one of those.